could be a secret hero. I'll be able to fly high in the sky. I'll also be a scientist, and I will create a machine that serves me so I could be a parasite. I will find the fairies and help them find children who are losing their teeth. I'll tell them where they live, and I will help them bring the teeth back to their castle. I'll also create a magic happy dust that the fairies could sprinkle on the children while they were sleeping. This way, everyone would wake up happy. I would have fun playing with the fairies. At the end of the day, I would get back to the machine to be Coco-sized again and go home to my family. But I will never tell my secret. Thank you for